Hi there, in this video, I will give you a very quick guide on how you can find friends on Discord. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Discord and of course make sure that you've already logged in. And once you're here, what you will have to do is click add friend. And then once you're on this section, you will basically just have to type in your friend's name. So it should be their username and then of course the tag, and the tag, it should at least have 4 digits. So make sure that you've put the correct username so that you will be able to actually send them a friend request. And then after you send the friend request, your friend will appear in your pending section, which is right here, until they accept. And also you can look for friends here. Uh, uh for example, you're in a server, you could actually just add a bunch of random people or someone you already know from this list. So you will just basically have to click their name, and then you will just see this button right here which says add friend. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.